Hey guys, we're doing the team random now for the prison break for tonight. It's 8:02:55 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants are going 4 times. Oops. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Teams now. Going 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Random is complete, and the teams are Carter, Magic, Jeff, Thunder, Brian, Sixers, Benji, Nets, Brian, Pelicans, Adam Carter, Spurs, Daniel, Hornets, Ben Francis, Heat, Daniel, Mavericks, Chris, Lakers, Zach with Knicks and Bucks, and Mr. Ryder, Rockets, Mr. O'Toole, Bulls, Mizzy, Clippers, Eugene, Cavs, Lance, Blazers, Alana, T-Wolves, Jeff, Raptors, Zach, Celtics, Lindsay, Suns, KJ, Nuggets, Jason with the Warriors, Corey, Jazz, Eugene, Wizards, Leonardo, Hawks, John, Grizz, John Deegan, Pacers, Jerome, Kings, and Pistons. And that is the team list. I didn't mean to do that.